Maybe you're one of those folks that's had bad eyesight since birth, or maybe you're one of those people that's getting older and you can't see as well as you used to, or maybe you're one of those people that when your parents told you as a kid that if you play with that thing, you're gonna go blind. Irregardless, sometimes it's hard to see your drone when it's in flight. We're gonna do a drone makeover and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix that today. We're changing it from this to this. All right, for today's drone makeover, I'm using Decals from DecalGirl. It's a website that I found on the Mavic Pilots Forum. If you go to their website, you bring up your drone, what make and model, and again, they have a ton of different designs. I went with a basic fluorescent green. They have a lot of really wild ones. The stickers came pretty quick. They come in a package basically like this, and inside that package is the decals and the instructions. But there's decals for your drone, all sides of it, and then there's decals for the controller, which I'm not going to put decals on my controller. That's never going to be out of my sight. I shouldn't have a hard time finding that. The biggest thing that they do recommend is wipe the drone down with a wet washcloth. Don't use any solvents or anything of that nature, which makes sense. You don't really want to try to put some solvent on it, leave it on there, and then try to put stickers on top of it. It probably won't stick on. So we'll wipe it down and we'll get going. First thing I'm going to do is take my propellers off. Battery out. I'm gonna give it a good wipe down with a wet washcloth. Get any dirt, dust, or anything of that nature off, bugs that you may have splattered into while you're out flying, and then dry it off real good. And it basically peels off from the backing. It's just a matter of trying to line everything up. Do say if you get a bubble, you can kind of just run your finger along and channel the air out, which not too shabby. Venture to say you want to be real careful around the sensors. It's really not cover those up in any way, shape, or form. And this would be the battery cover next. Looks like the battery holder still moved freely, so that's nice. I would say the biggest thing with this is certainly take your time. Try to get everything lined up how you are happy with. The stickers are pretty forgiving. They come back off without tearing them for the most part that I can find so far. Knock on wood, I haven't done that. I guess a positive about it, these will, like I said, these will come off pretty easy. So if you decide you're not happy with the way it looks and you don't want that look on there anymore, you can certainly peel it off pretty easily and bring it back to being just your plain drone without stickers. meet the engineer that figures out these stickers. Pretty slick. Another cut. They do a good job. All right, one more outrigger and that is that. Now I can throw on some orange propellers and we'll have Air Ireland. So that's it. Again, folks, Decal Girls, check them out. Pretty happy with it. They went on pretty easy. A little bit time consuming, a little bit tedious. Take your time and it'll go on. A lot of different colors, a lot of different designs. Check them out. And other than that, I want you to know one thing. Your couch sucks. It's time for you to get up, get on, get outside and do something epic. Like go fly a drone that's all blinged out.